I think that without ambition you don't achieve anything. Okay, you have to have ambition and vision.
Fernando Feroni je jedan od vodećih ljudi italijanske nauke. Kao predsednik jedne od najvećih naučnih organizacija u Evropi, italijanskog INFN-a, izuzetno je uticajan u Italiji i CERN-u, gde snažno zagovara saradnju sa Srbijom.
Well, the colleagues that I know that are working with us in CERN or in computing are not different from the one that I know in my country or in other countries that have a long tradition in physics. You can think that it's good or bad, but the fact that a good numbers of your students at a certain moment goes to foreign institution in US or in Europe, this is a sign that they are good. So if you are good not because you were born good, because the education you got was good. So I think there are all the elements for making this country successful.
Nacionalni institut za nuklearnu fiziku Italije, INFN, okuplja mrežu većeg broja prestižnih laboratorija i centara u Italiji, a već dugo je i strateški partner Instituta za fiziku u Beogradu.
I think that physics is very attractive in principle, and I think that the Institute of Physics here has a long tradition. So I think that the elements are all on the field. I think that you have to build, however, all the elements to be successful. It doesn't come by chance, okay? So you have to. And I think that from this point of view, the ambition of Verokio are in this line, because they want, of course, to connect the STEM research to the innovation and to the possible future of the country. Again, nothing is written in the book on how to do. Every country has an history, and every country should find its own way. But the elements that you cannot miss are science, knowledge, technology. I mean, I think without this you don't go anywhere.
Zajedno sa jednim od zamenika predsednika izvršnog odbora, Fernando Feroni je u martu 2018. boravio u poseti na Institutu za fiziku u Beogradu.
So I think that what you need for having the success is not a bunch of genius, but a bunch of teachers that are able to spot the geniuses. So this is why I think Verokio is a great idea as a name for a center like this. It's a sign of a great I would say knowledge, cultural knowledge from the point of view of who is going to from Alex Bogojević, that I think is the main engine after the development of the center. I think that he has understood how the mechanism of the school in the Italian Renaissance, how the school were important in spotting the talents and making them able to show to the world their ability. I mean, you don't go. It's very difficult that you go around and you find a person, you look him in the eyes and say, "You are a genius. Come with me." I mean, that doesn't work. Even in the school, Verokio was the person that was able to discover the talent, the special talent that the families at the time gave him the young people to train and to teach. Science is a global enterprise, and for example, we are collaborating with Serbian scientists since a very long time in CERN, and it's clear that we want to enhance the collaboration, and when we were made aware of the efforts of the Institute of Physics in Belgrade. So I think that there are good reasons to support in the mutual interest these developments that are going on in Serbia. It's always good to talk and to collaborate.
INFN je jedan od strateških partnera Instituta u realizaciji projekta Verokio, koji je jedan od prioriteta vlade Srbije.
Serbia has now decided to become a full member of CERN. Verokio and Petnic are now collaborating strictly for building an entire path of knowledge that goes from secondary school to university and to PhD and postdoc. I think that Serbia is now a country that is moving also in the direction of recreating an industry based on innovation and not on old models. So Serbia that really needs young people that goes in that direction. So I think that there are all the elements for, well, most important, the government has given money to the Verokio Center to be built. Well, I think that the future of any country, certainly in Europe, but possibly in the world, is linked to knowledge, innovation, and science. I mean, there is no shortcut.